Hello. In this program, we will see three simple topics in Python: comments, input, and output. The first is comments. What is a comment? Comment is a non-executable statement in a program. How do we comment in Python? There are two ways of commenting in Python. The first one is by including hash, and the second one is by including triple quoted string. Hash is used to comment a single line, and triple quoted string is used to comment block of lines. For example, here I've included hash. This will comment this single line alone. And in this case, I've included triple quoted string at the beginning and at the end of these statements. So this will comment these block of lines. The second topic is input. How do we get input from the user in Python? This is done by including the input function. In this case, the name is obtained from the user and stored as string in the variable x. In the second case, the age is obtained from the user. It will be initially considered as string, but since age is an integer, we have to convert it to the int data type. So this is done by using the int function. The third topic is output in Python. The statement is displayed using the print function. In the first case, only a string is passed as a parameter. In the second case, a string as well as a variable is passed as a parameter to the print function. Let's see the output. Enter your name. I enter Priya. Enter the age. I enter 15. The details are displayed. Personal details, your name Priya and your age 15. So this is a simple program to demonstrate comments, input and output in Python. If you have any program to be clarified, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.